Hey there everyone, so that's my 2013 F150, and as you probably know, on the ignition coils you got these nice little breakable connectors. As you can see already, the red pin is out, it's not holding very much, and the tape is the most cheapest and simplest solution that I found so far. But now I said that I need an update because once in a while I get a check engine light. So what I have as a solution is to drill a little hole like this on the connector itself. So now it won't budge unless you remove the little pin. The size that I have used is a simple 1mm drill, and as for a wire, I just use some 0.8 welding wire. It's not easy to get access, especially with this gas system in the way, but probably you don't have this, so it's gonna be easier at your side. And I hope this inspires or helps anyone who wants to know how to fix their connectors. You can take out the pin without spending the nice 25 or 35 bucks per connector, because then it's the easy stuff. And now you can easily remove this. You can see that the drill will hit this little slider right over here. Wait, let me bring some light. So yeah, right over here you can see it's on the slider, it's not on the connector itself, because I really don't want any moisture getting inside. So yeah, hope this helps to y'all. Have a good one.